Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kalpana Tech World. In this video, we are continuing our ServiceNow CSA certification exam quiz series with part 5. If you are preparing for the CSA certification exam or looking to strengthen your ServiceNow fundamentals, this video is for you. I will be covering a new set of important CSA quiz questions in this video, and make sure to watch it until the end. Test your knowledge and see how many questions you can answer correctly. If you find this series is helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you will never miss the upcoming ServiceNow content. So let's get started the ServiceNow CSA quiz questions part 5. The first question is, which component of a table contains a piece of data for one record? Answer B is correct one, field. Moving to the next question, what type of field has a drop down list from which you can pick from predefined options? Option A is the correct one, choice. Moving to the next question, user records are stored in which table? Users is user. Moving to next question, what ServiceNow feature can be triggered by events and is used to inform users about activities or updates in ServiceNow? Option A is the correct one, notifications. Moving to the next question, which ServiceNow capability allows you to provide knowledge articles via a convers- conversational messaging interface? Option B is the correct one, virtual agent. Moving to the next question, which role can manage multiple knowledge bases? Option D is the correct one, knowledge admin. Moving to next question, which statement correctly describes the difference between a client script and a business rule? Option C is the correct one. Client script executes on the client and business rule executes on the server. Moving to the next question, what are the benefits of assigning work tasks to a group rather than to an individual? We have to choose the 4 correct answers in these above options. Option A is the correct one. Group members can choose their task from my group work. Groups can assign tasks to user based on the calls schedules. Group Option D is correct one. Groups can assign tasks to users based on skills. Option F is the correct one. Groups can assign tasks to user based on availability. These four options is the correct one for the above question. Moving to the next question, what ServiceNow features allows you to include data from a secondary related table on a report? Option B is the correct one, dot walking. Moving to the next question, what attributes can you manage using system properties? Basic configuration UI 16. Choose 5 correct answer. In this question, we have to choose the 5 correct options. First one is browser tab title, module text color, option D base theme, and option G header background color, and option H banner image. These are the 5 correct options. Moving to the next question, which field or fields is used as a unique key during imports? Option B is the correct one, colossal field. Moving to the next question, you are asked to create an option in the service catalog to allow a user to click Get Help and describe their issue. These forms should create incident records routed to the service desk. Which method would you use? Option A is the correct one, create record procedure. Moving to the next question, what is the result of the order in which access controls are evaluated? Option D is the correct one, ensure user has access to a table before evaluating the access to find the field in the table. Moving to the next question, which tool graphically displays an infrastructure view for a configuration item and its relationship with other CSA? Option B is the correct one, dependency view. Moving to next question. What are the examples of the core tables in the ServiceNow platform? Option C is the correct one, user, task and incident. Moving to next question. Which tab on the knowledge base record would you use to identify the set of users who are able to read articles in the knowledge base? Option D is the correct one, can read. Moving to the next question. What are the main components of the form design interface? We have to choose the three correct answer in this: page header, field navigator, and form layout. These three are the correct answer. Moving to the next question. What is used to determine user access to knowledge bases or a knowledge article? Option D is the correct one, user criteria. Moving to the next question. What are the three keys tables in an enterprise CMDB? In this question, we have to choose the three correct options. Option A is CMDB, option C is CMDB RELCI, and option F is CMDB CI. These three are the correct options for the above question. Moving to the next question. What is the best practice related to using the default update set for moving customization between instances? Option C is the correct one. We should not use the default update sets for moving between instances. Moving to the next question. On what part of the ServiceNow instance would you find the options to impersonate the user? Option D is the correct one, banner. Moving to the next question. Which application is used primarily to load data into service? Option B is the correct one, system import sets. Moving to the next question. If a knowledge base has no access details specified, what users are able to read articles in that knowledge base? Option C is the correct one, any active user. Moving to the next question. How would you define an access control to allow a user with till role to have permissions to create incident records? Option A is the correct one. Name incident, none operation, create role till. Moving to the next question. How what service catalog features do you use to organize items into logical group? Option A is the correct one, categories. Moving to the next question. When you create when creating a new notification, what must you define? We have to choose the three correct options in this question. Option C, under what condition is the notification sent, who receives the notification, and what the content of the notification. These are the three correct answers for that question. Moving to next question. Which of these workflows are included in the ServiceNow platform? In this question, we have to choose the three correct answers. That is option B, customer workflows, option E, employee workflows, option F, IT workflows. These are the three correct options. Moving to the next question. An IT manager cannot see any tasks on the service desk. My group work list. What could explain this? Option D is the manager is not a member of the network and hardware groups. This is the correct answer for that question. And moving to the next question, you have been asked to configure a form so an employee could order a table and select standard accessory options. What approach would you take? We have to choose the three correct options from this question. Option A is create catalog item for the table and add a variable set to the form for the accessory options. And option D, create one catalog item for each table carrying case, screen cleaner, table stand and screen protector. And option C is also correct, create catalog item for the table, tablet and on the form and add a checkbox variable for each accessory option. And moving to the next question, which ServiceNow utility provides a modern interactive graphical interface to visualize configuration items and their relationships? Option A is the correct one, dependency view. And moving to the next question, what is the definition of a group? Option D is the correct one, a collection of users. Moving to the next question, on the reports page, what sections allow you to see which reports are visible to different audience? In this question, we have to choose the four correct answers. Option A, groups. Option C, my reports. Option E, global. And option F, all. These are the four correct options for the above question. And moving to the next question, on a filter condition, there is an element which is based on the table. The user access rights and columns on the table. What is this element called? Option D is the correct one, field. Moving to the next question, you have been asked to create a way for users to order a new iPhone, but only if they get two levels of approval with automatic notifications. What feature would you use? Option B is the correct answer, flows. Moving to the next question, groups are stored in what table? Option D is the correct one, group sys user group. This is the correct option. Moving to next question, when managing tasks, you can adjust who is able to see it. What are the visibility options? In this question, we have to choose the three correct options. Groups and users, me, and option D, everyone. These are the three correct answers for this question. And moving to the next question, what modules enables an administrator to define destinations for important data on any ServiceNow table? Option C is the correct one, transform map. Moving to next question, on the form header, which icon do you use to access from form templates? Access form templates. Option C is the correct one, more options. Moving to the next question, when using the picker, you use which keys to dock walk to fields in other tables? Option C is the correct one, arrows. Moving to the next question, in what order are access controls evaluated? Option C is the correct one, table level, most specific to most general, then field level, most specific to most general. The, this is the correct one. And moving to the next question, what instance resources allow you to access guide, tools, information about actions and instructions on how to use inputs and outputs in your flow? Option C is the correct one, help panel. Moving to next, sorry, these are the 41 questions and check your score. How many questions you are correct, answer correct for these questions. And thank you for watching this video. This is the important video for you. Please prepare well and crack the exam. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos.